Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to call anyone without showing your number. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are friendly to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone die pad, just like this one right here. Simply click on this one on your phone. So click on that, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to this setting icon from the top side on your phone. So click on that, then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on SIM card settings, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on carrier features. They take you right here. Now, if you have a dual SIM phone, what you need to do is to choose the particular SIM that you want to use for hiding your phone number. So what you need to do, I'm going to simply select MTN right here. Then it's taking me to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on additional settings right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on caller ID. It's going to take us to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on hide number. So it's as simple as that. So each time you are calling anyone with this particular SIM card, it's going to show private number. Your number will not be displayed on their end. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to call anyone without showing your number step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.